Wheelspacer push your wheels outward, increasing your track width. Keeping the wheel back spacing correct allows enough room for the suspension. Brake and steering system to operate without interference from the wheels. With various thickness wheel spacers, you push the wheels and tires out to the position you want. This is helpful to create a more aggressive wheel stance. Besides, installing wheel spacers also provide the stability and rollover resistance.
Most people add wheel spacer to accommodate larger tires. Without them, larger tire was originally installed will often rub against fenders.
Wheel spacers are accessories for performance upgrades. Whether we are planning to use them for daily driving or off-roading, it is safe to use high-quality track wheel spacers. By enlarging the track width, this wheel spacer enables the tires to better grip the road surface. This also allows you to install bigger tires and larger brakes with no rubbing issue. BONOSS wheel spacers are crafted from 7075 T6 and 6061 T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles. BONOSS introduces a global patent active cooling design, featuring unique grooves on the back of the spacer. These grooves allow external cold airflow continuously inside the spacer when rotating, reducing heat buildup and enhancing brake cooling performance. BONOSS wheel spacers undergo over 73 SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards. With precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control, these spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. With this outstanding advantage, it's clear that BONOSS Forge active cooling wheel spacers offer exceptional safety, durability, and professionals. Whether you are upgrading the aesthetics or improving the handling, BONOSS provides products that meet the highest standards of performance and quality.